Hello students, welcome to the online classes. I am Akhil sir. Today I am going to teach you poem number 2nd from textbook Honeysuckle, standard 6th. In this, the kite, they have given the full explanation of the kite, how it flies. Before that, I want to ask you, in which festival do we fly the kite? Obviously, it is nothing but the Sankranti festival. It falls in January month of January, 14th January, and it is the big sign of the changes happening in our nature. So let's see the kite. The poet has drawn a beautiful picture of flying kite through words in this poem. With the help of words only, the poet wanted to describe the kite. I have joined here some of the pictures also that you could see how it will be there. It helps you to think like that. We all love to see flying kites, but never noticed how it flies. Though this beautiful word picture of flying kite, the poet is just persuading, means searching the readers to fly one and notice its beautiful moves. Not only we have to read this poem, we should fly the kite in our reality also. The poet wanted that. The poet wanted that we have to take experience of flying kite. So let's see. These are the beautiful kites, colorful kites. Those were soars into the sky without any wings. Whether it has wings, it has one tail, and it has no wings. Then also they soar into the sky. That's why we have to take inspiration from these kites that in when we lead our life peacefully, at that time we have to achieve our goals. We have to try hard for to achieve our goals. Okay, without any wings it soars into the sky. Then we are human beings. We have, okay, five senses. We have everything that we could do. So we have to try hard to complete our aim or achieve our aim, achieve our goal. These are the various types of colorful kites are there. In the same way, in our life also, we lead our life in as a doctor, an engineer, as a teacher, as a potter, as a barber. But we have to face, and along with that we face different situations. Okay, to this all the person same difficulty will not be there. We have to, okay, in our life we face different problems like that only. In that obstacles also we have to overcome on those obstacles, and we have to achieve our goals like these colorful kites. First of all, first four lines: how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. When it's new, it is a dark bright spot on the clear sky. But when it soars into the sky, it is looking like a point only, with a dive and dip. Dive and dip means go upside and come downside. It snaps its tail. A cracking sound of the tail will come from that place. It's showing that it's enthusiasm. They have given here some of the words, that is dive and dip means to go into the water with force and softness together. Okay, when we go to the for the swimming, we may dive. For that this meaning is given, but related to this kite, it is not going into the water. It is dive in the wind only, in the sky only, or in the that. Snaps means cracking sound, and blue means what? That is a clear, okay, cloudless sky, clear sky, blue sky. So this is the cheerful. When we see such type of pictures, we may get very cheerful and enthusiastic, and we have to take inspiration from those kites. Then soars like a ship with then soars like a ship with only a sail. Sail means here string, string, of wind it rides. Okay, how the ship rides the waves of those water in the ocean, like that only our kite also rides the waves of the wind in the sky, climbs to the crest of the gust and pull. Okay, gust means very fast wind, strong wind, then seems to rest as wind falls. And whenever the wind will be not there, it comes down and take it rest. In the same way, whenever we don't have any difficulties, means we have the safe time, at that time we have to try hard, we have to take too much efforts to get our success. And whenever we have such type of difficulties, at that time we have to slow down, means we have to wait for correct opportunity, right opportunity. They have given here some words, that is soar. Soars means fly high like an eagle. Okay, and here one of the magical character is there, that is kite. Without any wings, it soars into the sky, flies, climbs to go up, sail, a cloth on a ship or boat used to catch the wind, and with the help of that boat propel ahead. And tides means what? Rising and falling waves. Okay, those are the waves, those are rising and falling, those are the tides. In the same way, here we have to take the meaning that the wind also, okay, rising and falling, and on that tides the kite is flying high in the sky. Crest means mountain, top of the mountain. Okay, this is also there. Or a tuft feathers on the head of the bird or animal, that is also. In this way we have to take inspiration of that. This is the colorful one, the kite. It looks in the clear sky and it is high in the sky, so we can look at them. When we look at them, it looks like a bright spot only, point only. But when we rolled up the string and we wind it back, at that time it may get bigger in size, but it is now far away from us, that's why it looks like one of the bright spot only. When string goes slack, when did the string go slack? When the wind falls, when the wind will be not there, strong wind, you wind it back. Wind means to roll it back and run until a new breeze blow and its wings fill and up it goes. Up to when it take rest? When it is when it is not getting the wind in its wings. Okay, when wind not blowing through its body, up to that it take rest down only. But whenever one of the wind blows, at that time only, okay, by taking the advantage or taking this opportunity, it fly high in the sky. In the same way, the human being also uses his opportunities, obstacles as an opportunity, and he has to fly high, or he has to achieve his goals in his life. And it never tells us that this is I am your opportunity and you have to use us, but we have to grab that opportunity, we have to try hard for that opportunity to get success in our life. Now they have given here slack means loose, when wind will not be there at that time only. Okay, this is the clear sky, this is in this way. And when the wind is not blowing at that time, it comes down and down, so it is looking in that. Okay, when string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blow, and it swings and it up goes in this way. These are the rollers that you, with the help of these rollers, we wind it back that string, and we have to collect our kite. And when wind will be there, we have to make loose that. How bright on the blue sky, how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. When it's new, it looks very bright. Okay, in childhood, everyone likes us, but how we are uh, increasing our age or in the old age, no one wants to talk with us. Why? Because we are getting old. We are getting old. But rager thing, but a rager thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of the tree. But when it's stuck in the tree, at that time it flaps, and because of gust, because of strong wind, it get towed. It get towed, and it at that time only everything will be spoiled, means glory of that kite will be spoiled. In the old age we cannot do anything. When we fail, no one admire us, no one wanted to talk us. Like that only, when the string goes slack and it flaps, is stuck in the tree, it get torn. Rager means what? Torn and tattered. Torn means old one, torn and tattered. How the tattered will be there? This is in this way. It is stuck, and now if you see in the picture, it is torn, tattered on that paper. Okay, and now it is not ready, or it is not used for now flying, as a for the flying that kite. Okay, it's stuck in that branches, and when we pull that, it may get teared, and it will turn like this. It is stuck in the tree. In the same way, when we found in the tight situation, okay, in the difficult situation from four sides, we cannot imagine or we cannot think anything positively, then only we have to believe in ourselves, and we have to raise in our life like this kite. Okay, and we don't have to, okay, disappointed, and we need not to make others disappointed, discourage. Don't discourage others, this is the crime. So at that time also, now let's see. Okay, this means you are discouraging others, you are pampering others, you are telling that array you are not able to do that, but we have to motivate others. And in difficult situation, we need not to sit at one place in a grief. At that time we have to recollect our strength. We have to recollect, okay, how the, when the wind will be there, at that time only the kite flies. In the same way, at the time of difficulties, we have to stay at one place, or we have to stop at one place. We have to rethink how to overcome on this situation. And we need not to demotivate others. This is the crime I have already told. And in the end of the life, okay, or in our life, we have to motivate, get cheerfulness, and through that obstacles only we need to get success. So in this way, we take one of the best message from this poem, that we need not to get disappointed in our life. We have to be cheerful in our difficult situations. Okay, so that's why, and we have to motivate others also, then only we may get success in our lives. So this is the summary of the poem. They have given here, in the clear sky means when there are no clouds. Clouds means, implied meaning is difficulties. a kite will look very bright when no difficulty will be there. The man is okay giving or boasting himself like a lion, but when he surrounded with uh, black clouds or difficulties, at that time he lose his hope. It will be clearly noticeable. The kite hurls means it gets hurled, and with every wag its tail produces a cracking sound. Wagging its tail means moving its tail in the wind. At that time its tail make cracking sound, okay, shrill sound. Then while flying, all of sudden the kite goes high on the top, just like a ship. Okay, the ship also, by taking hard work, it okay waded the ocean and it gets path at that time only. In the same way, goes up and down on the crest of waves with a sailcloth. The sailcloth, what it did, it collect the wind and it helps to move the ship from one place to another, or it gets increase of the speed of that ship. It moves forward when the wind is strong. If wind will be not there, wind means was our strength, our enthusiasm. We should not be get disappointed and we should not be demotivate towards others. Okay, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. When the wind will be not there, at that time it may stay at one place. But if it catches the wind, okay, it catches the breeze, one breeze also, then it may get, means breeze means what? It is one of the opportunity that we could get in our okay life. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite okay loosen. The flyer tries to roll the thread and runs till a new breeze falls its wings. That only I told you that when the wind is not there, slack will be there. At that time we have to roll up our string. We have to control our emotion. At that time we have to control our emotions, and when the wind blows, at that time only uh, we have to open our strings. A kite really and runs a thread and run till a new breeze feels its wings. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on the tree top, it gets torn and give a poor look. That's why I have already told you that when it gets, it may get teared. But in our life, whenever we found in a tight spot or difficult situation, in that situation also we need not to get disappointed. We have to take motivate from this kite. Okay, so we have to get cheerful, and in this way the this poem will be over. Students having any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you.